everybody. Today we're going to be talking about blockchain layers 2. We're going to be exploring the applications they have, their benefits, some ethical considerations, and what this means for the future of blockchains. Let's start. So first off, a quick introduction. Layers 2 are basically blockchains built upon a layer 1 blockchain. Let's say, for example, you have Ethereum. Well, then upon Ethereum, you can have Polygon, which is a layer 2 blockchain, which basically is like another ecosystem, but it follows another rule that Ethereum does, but at the same time, it's its own thing. Um, so yeah, this is basically a layer 2 blockchain, just a blockchain built upon another blockchain. Now, well, the thing about these layers too, what makes them special, what makes people come into them, is that you usually pay lower gas fee and there's less congestion. Well, actually, because there is less congestion, there's also less gas fees since there is less people in the system, in the ecosystem. So everything goes smoother, everything goes faster. And this could be a great option for certain people, mostly people that doesn't have that much money to spare. So there's like different types of layers too. There is the rollups. The rollups basically what they do is that they process a group of transactions in a different environment than in the main blockchain, alleviating some of the congestion and making the transaction goes faster. Uh, Then you have the state channels. The state channels are off-chain transactions, actually. These are like peer-to-peer transactions, or it's like transactions which you do with certain person, with just one person. These are great when you're like exchanging tokens with a friend. So you do these transactions, like you exchange tokens with him, with this friend, and then the result of the transaction will be posted on the main blockchain of, at the end of this mini game of exchanging tokens off-chain. And then you have the side chains. This is basically like the whole different um, crypto uh, crypto system. Like I just mentioned earlier, this could be Polygon, for example, that they have their own thing. Is like a whole different blockchain with its own community, but built upon a layer 1 blockchain like Ethereum. So, like I said before, the benefits of the blockchain layer 2s are that they reduce cost and they enhance speed. This is because, like I said, there's less congestion. So because of this, transaction fee that in Ethereum will cost you a couple euros, here will be, I don't know, cents even. Yeah. And this is actually great for gaming because in a layer 1, usually everything is a bit slow, it's hard to play games, it's also congested. So it's in a layer 2 blockchain, everything goes faster, everything goes smoother, so you can actually play games and have fun, and this should go smoothly. So there are some ethical considerations. First off, these are a bit less decentralized than layer 1, since, like I said, there's less people, but this less people also means less validators, less nodes, and of course, it makes it a bit more risky, but it really depends on the specific project. Like usually, you should be fine when you use one layer 2 blockchain like Polygon. Then also, a lot of people don't know when they're in layer 2. So there's like a lot of misinformation. A lot of people are just using a blockchain and they don't even realize it's a layer 2. And that take us to the third issue. There's way too many layer 2s. So it's becoming a bit overwhelming for the regular people to understand what they're doing because of this sometimes. So in conclusion, layer 2s usually improve the performance of the blockchain in comparison with its layer 1. Then they also help solve certain challenges, like, for example, gaming, in things that certain or also decentralized apps, things that could not run as smoothly in a layer one could work perfectly in a layer two. And we can also see at the development that even layer threes are happening right now. Like they're starting to be developed, and layers three are like created for specific tasks, specific decentralized apps. So this means that this is a growing space, a growing environment, and probably we'll see even more improvement upon layer twos and even layer threes in the future. And we will able to do even more stuff on them than what we can right now. So that's all.